Hello guys, welcome to another part of this series. In this video, we shall continue with the joining of the body. So now this is where we left off in the last video, and we shall continue by joining the rest of the body to this part to make it a single object on its own. So let us try to join this to this and then isolate the remaining, and let us try to fill the gaps in between this part right here. So let us like let's delete these vertices right here. Delete vertices. Select this one also. Delete vertices. Then try to select this loop right here. Double G to slide to that end like so. And I think this is okay this way. Yeah. So let us try to um and try to slide this also. Merge by distance at center by distance. Select this for vertices, then fill it. Fill like that. Towards the end, select this also, fill this vertices, select this to also try to fill them towards the end like that. I think we go that way. Then add an extra loop cut at the center, add one here also. Then try to join this to this by pressing G on the keyboard. Yeah. So now what we can do next is taking this part, this loop right here, then press Alt S to scale it along the numbers like that. And let's try to correct some issues right here. Take this, bring it forward a little bit, move this backwards a little, and yeah, I think that is okay. Let us try to line or match this by making it straight like that. So we have that, and we have to sharpen this also. But let me, if I sharpen, let me try to change this to this, pressing J, then yeah, then add an extra loop and move it closer to that end right there. Also add an extra loop, also move it closer like this. And also let us cycle and match by distance. So we have that for that part. Yep. I think yeah, it's like that. Let us try to do it one by one. Let us do the roof also. Select all the roof, then join to the body, to this part, right? Then isolate the rest also. Then go back to edit mode, and what we're gonna do for this part is yeah, let us try to match this with this by sliding this also, view frame selected, and try to move it up like so. Yep. And delete this last end or edge vertices. Yeah. And just line this also, and try to move it, give it a little bit of space in between. Also delete these vertices right here for that part, and delete these vertices right here. Delete these vertices right here. You can leave that for now, and Select these two, then fill it. Or what you can do is take this loop right here, then try to like slide it or delete it. Yeah, delete that vertices right there. Take this one also, delete it. And now you can start filling. Select this two, fill it, fill it. Oh no, no, no. You can't fill it that way. Let's first select all, match by distance. So we know that this part right here is a cutout. This part also is a cutout. So I think we go that way. And select these three, these two, fill it. Select these two, also fill it. Fill this part also like that. Those three parts, vertices. Fill it. Select these two, also fill it. Fill this. Select all three vertices right here. Then fill it. Select these two. Select these two, also fill it. Select this. I think we have to add loop cut right here, and then try to bring it up slightly like that. Also select all these loops right here. Go to extreme mode. Select all, and try to like move it upwards a little bit. And I think we have to slide this like that, and then move this up like that to correct that. I think, yeah. So what you can do is take these three vertices, then fill it. Take this one, also fill it. Take this, fill it, and fill it to that end like that. Also add a loop cut at the center right there. Add another loop cut at the center right there. Take these two vertices, then join it. Um, add a loop cut right here. Take these two vertices, then join it. Add a loop cut. Yeah, for this part, let's add a loop cut right here. Take this one, join it to this, match by distance. Take this just like this, slide it to that part also, and take all this loop right here and slide it to this part also like that. So we have these middle vertices right that way. So yeah. So now we can try to bring it down like that. Try to bring it down to that point right there. I think, yeah. Then let's sharpen it by adding an extra loop. Press E and bring it closer to this part right here like that. So now for this cutout around this area, what I'm gonna do is I think the cutout is like this. I think, okay, it went this way, this way, this way. Okay. And let me do this, the cutout for this part first. Select these vertices and hold down Control and right click to select the whole vertices. Then bring this down like this to this point, right? Bring it down to this point like that. Then let us add an extra loop to sharpen this. Then add an extra loop also sharpen this. So let us try to take this, slide it to that, double J to slide it to that point right there. And then you can select this whole loop to select that middle one and slide this also. Select this whole loop, deselect this middle, slide it towards that end and press all, and then match by distance. So now we have a curvy angle and then there's no sharp angle right there. So what we can do then, let us try to add another loop cut. Press E and F to move it closer to this angle to sharpen that part also. Yeah, so let us deal with this part now. Let's try to do this. Let's try to do this first. Add an extra loop, move it closer to this part right here. I'm trying to follow the same loop. Then select these two, then match at last. Also select this, then match at last. So we have that. So now for this part, let's deal with this horizontal line first. Select here, take this and join it to this. Pressing J, then select these middle vertices like so. But first, I want to line this up. Try to like match this to this first. Match this to this, and try to bring this one up like this. Yep. Then select this part also, match at last. Select this to let's try to take this, move it towards this part. Then select these two vertices, match at the center. Then we can select these vertices and then select this other one. Then press J to join like that. So now we can try to bring this middle vertices down, like selecting this place, this vertex, hold down Control, select, and left click, right click, and left click, then bring this down like that. Before we bring it down, let's just try to join this to this also. Take this vertex, join it to this middle one like that. So now we can select all these um, vertices and then bring it down this way like that. So now we can try to sharpen it by adding a loop cut. Add another loop cut right at this part right here. Then try to match this last one to this. Match this one to this also. Then match by distance. Select this loop. Select the center vertex. Select these vertices. Select the center one. Then slide it towards that end. Press on and then match by distance. So now we're done with this part also. So now let us deal with this part now. Try to take this vertex, join it to this vertex. Select, okay. Then select this O loop. Select this one. Then try to bring it down like so. Then add extra vertices or loop cut to sharpen this edge. Then try to like merge it by sliding this to this part. Taking all of this, then slide it to this part. Then merge by distance. And there we go. I feel like the gap, yeah, is too much. The gap here is much. So let's try to take these vertices. Select this one also. Then move it to the front. Also select this one. Select this part also. Then move it to the front like that. So the gap will be a little bit. Yeah, I think that is it. So now let us deal with the vertical as the vertical cutout, which is this part. So let us try to add, or let us select this part right here. Select this vertices like so. Select to this part here. Let's select to your part. Control. Then try to bevel it. Control B. Bevel it a little bit like that. Then add a single loop at the center. Then now we can select this loop right here. Deselect this. Select this also. Go to extra mode. Try and shift to deselect this part. Alright. Deselect this part also. So now we can move this down like this. Move it down to this end right there. So what we can do now is let's try to merge this right. Select all of this, slide it to this part. Select all of this, also slide it to this part like that. So you have something like that, and try to do the same for this. Select this, slide it to that part. Select all of this, slide it to that part. Select all of this, slide it to that part, and then match by distance. Then we can sharpen our edges by adding an extra loop like this. Add an extra loop also at this part, use closer a little bit. Then let's try to merge it. Merge this to this, merge this to this. Select all of this, disable this middle one. Do the same for this part. Select all, match by distance. Yeah. Also do the same for this. Select all of this. Hold down control to select the last end. Select all of this. Hold down control to select this last one. Then slide it. Press all, match by distance. And there we go. The roof, which is done. For this door handle parts, like I made a mistake in the last video, uh, in the tutorial. So let us try to correct this. Um, this select all these parts right here, insert it like that. Then try to like bring this like this way. Marry this to this. Bring this one up. Try to like make it like a circular shape. You can bring this one up like this. Bring this one up. Also bring this one up. Move this way. Z0. Z0. Try to like position this. So try to position this like this. Yeah, so we can select all of this now. Then try to select this part first. Move it this way. And then try to bring it, move it towards the end like that. So here we go. Let us bring back the remaining parts of this model. Then try to select this one. Let us change this to this like that. Select this part, and this part will be pretty easy to do or to fix. Slide this part. Fill the faces right like that. Fill the faces like that. What you can do is take this, slide it towards this end like that. Then try to like move this back a little bit much. Try to like slide this and press Alt S that way. Yeah, I think good. Then try to like add an extra loop to sharpen at this end. Yeah, what you can do now for this part is slide this to this, slide this to this. Then take this, disable this part, right? Slide this. Also take this, disable this, then slide this. And then match by distance. And there we go. Yep. So let's bring back another part of this model. What can we do next? Let's try to join this front bumper. Join it to this. Control I to disable or hide. Then try to match. Slide this also to give it this gap, right? Like that. Oh, looks like we have to delete this because of the mirror modifier. So now let us deal with this. Select this four vertices, fill it up. What can I do for this part? Let's try to take this, select all of this, and fill it. Select all of this also, then fill it. That way. Think. And try to select this, then slide it toward this end like that. Select this also, slide it toward this end. So, yep. So now we can add, yeah, let's add an extra loop right at that center. Add an extra loop right here. Select these two vertices, then join it. Then select this whole loop like so. Then press Alt S like that. I think that's okay. Then add an extra loop. Press E, F to bring it closer to this end like that. And for this part, okay, you have to like rotate it, rotate this, bring it down, then rotate it like that. So there we go. We have that part done. Also, yeah. So I think this is where I'm gonna stop for this part, and we shall continue in the next part. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.